And in this video I'll show you how to reset your CapCut password. For that you can go and open your browser and search their password and search their CapCut space PASSW password, CapCut password reset, and from here you can reset your password. You have to enter your email address and then tap on confirm button, and there you'll get a link on your email, and click that link and it will take you to a website. From there you can create a new password. And if you are using your CapCut app, just go and open your app and tap on your me button, and then tap on this icon on your top right corner and sign out from there, and you will be on your sign in page, and there you will get an option named forgot password on app's login screen, and you have to enter your linked email address to receive a secure reset link. And then you need to open that link in the email and enter a new password that needs to be 6 to 20 characters, and tap on confirm button, and that is how you can reset your CapCut password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.